Welcome to Carrie's Crochet Corner. Today we're making a crochet cat collar. If you watched the last episode, you would have seen that CJ, the cat, needed a new collar because she loves to dress up. So in this episode, I'm going to show you how to crochet this collar. You can dress up any cat for the holidays or any kind of special occasion. Thanks for joining me if you're new here to Carrie's Crochet Corner. We're going to get started with making this cat collar. I used the red and Yarn Bee Soft Secret for this one right here with a white border. I've got this Bernette Pipsqueak. You could use any kind of furry yarn. This yarn is difficult to find, but I had some left over. So any kind of furry yarn would give it a nice border, or a yarn of your choice. Today we're going to use raspberry in the Soft Secret to make this collar. Okay, and you'll also need, I used snaps to snap it together because a kitty might not want a drawstring, and CJ is the type of cat that you'd want to put it on quickly. I know she'll love this, so hopefully she'll star in this video for us. See that? So we'll look for a picture for her. And I'm using a size G hook for this. You'll need some thread and needle to sew on the snaps. It was really easy. I just sewed them on each side and then snap them on. I figured the snap might be better because you can just snap it quickly and then cat can go off. And you need some scissors. I used some measuring tape to measure the length of my chain. Measure your cat's neck in centimeters, and then maybe add 1 centimeter to your measurement. Okay, so we're going to get started with making a chain, and I'm going to chain in multiples of 6 and then add 2. So I am actually going to chain 36 because that was the right measurement for a CJ. So 1, 2. All right, that's 36, and then I'm going to add 2. 1, 2. Next step, you're going to double crochet in the 3rd chain. So 1, 2, 3, right here. To make a double crochet, yarn over, put your hook in the 3rd chain from the hook, grab the yarn. Now you have 3 on your hook. Yarn over, go through the first 2, yarn over, go through the last 2. And you're going to double crochet all the way to the end, and I'll have 36. So I'm going to meet you until I have all double crochets. Okay, I have 36 double crochets. I put a double crochet in each chain, making 36. If you do 30, it'll come out a little differently, and I'll show you that when we get to the shell stitch. So you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. We're going to single crochet in the first 6. To single crochet, you're going to put your hook under those 2 stitches, right? Grab your yarn, you have 2 stitches on your hook, yarn over and go through both. We're going to do 5 more for a total of 6. Okay, so after you do 6 single crochets, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to chain 2. 1, 2. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next 5. Chain 2. So you're going to repeat that to the end. Skip a stitch, single crochet in the next 5. Single crochet to the end. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5. So then we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your work. We're going to make this half shell here. And put 3 double crochets at the bottom of that stitch. Okay, so right here, we're going to put 3 double crochets. Yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over, go through 2, go through the next 2. So do that 2 more times. Okay, then I'm going to skip a stitch and place a single crochet here, which is essentially in the middle before the chain 2 space, and it will anchor it down. Okay, now here's where we do a full shell. We're going to do 7 double crochets in this chain 2 space. So yarn over, go through the chain 2 space, double crochet. Do 6 more for a total of 7. Okay. Now I'm going to go in the middle of the next 5 single crochets. So it's really right here, right in the middle, and do a single crochet there. That anchors it down. And then 7 double crochets here in the next chain 2 space. You keep doing that to the end. I'm going to speed up the camera. All right, I'm at the end, so I'm going to skip these two and put three double crochets here, and then I'll fasten it off, especially. So here, go through that last stitch, double crochet, 2 more double crochets. I'm going to chain, maybe I'll just chain 3 so I can anchor it down here. All right, so then I'm going to slip stitch into the same stitch to make it even. And then I'm going to fasten off. I'm going to pause the video and show you how to do the border.